In a state known for innovation and bold infrastructure, 2025 marks a major turning point. Billions of dollars and decades of planning are culminating in the completion of California's most ambitious mega projects. From high-speed rail corridors and revitalized waterfronts to reimagined airports and futuristic transit systems, these projects aren't just improving daily commutes, they're reshaping the very blueprint of urban life across the state. Here's a look at the transformative developments finishing in 2025 and how they'll redefine how millions live, move, and connect. Number 8. West Harbor Waterfront Development. In San Pedro, the Port of Los Angeles is trading in its industrial past for a vibrant future with the West Harbor Project, a 42-acre redevelopment turning the former Port SoCal village into a bustling destination of shops, eateries, and entertainment venues. Set along active port waters, the redevelopment required deep soil stabilization and remediation of decades-old industrial contamination. Foundations mix driven piles and shallow footings depending on proximity to the waterfront, while structural steel is marine-coated to withstand the salty air. At the heart of West Harbor lies an open-air amphitheater with tiered seating and sweeping harbor views. Nearby, a mile-long public promenade includes integrated utilities and stormwater systems hidden beneath stylish concrete panels. New access roads, parking decks, and underground utility corridors make the area ready for the surge of foot traffic expected when it opens in 2025. This project isn't just a revitalization, it's a new model for blending public space with industrial surroundings. Number 7. Foothill Gold Line extension to Pomona. Public transit in LA's Eastern Corridor is about to get a major upgrade. The 9.1-mile Foothill Gold Line extension from Glendora to Pomona is nearly complete, promising smoother, faster light rail service across the San Gabriel Valley. Although modest in length, the project has been a heavy lift in terms of engineering. Crews rebuilt the narrow corridor shared with active freight trains into a dual-track system, installing new ballast, continuously welded rail, and high-performance ties. Thermite welding ensures a seamless ride with reduced maintenance. The extension includes 19 new or upgraded bridges, many built at night to minimize traffic disruption. Each is earthquake-ready with deep pile foundations and expansion joints designed for seismic shifts. New stations in Glendora, La Verne, San Dimas, and Pomona offer ADA-compliant level boarding and real-time arrival systems. The line will be electrified using an overhead catenary network powered by new substations. When it opens in 2025, the extension will offer a powerful new transit alternative in the region. Number 6. Olympic and Hill Residential Tower. Downtown Los Angeles is reaching new heights, literally, with the near completion of the Olympic and Hill Tower. At 60 stories, it will be one of the tallest residential towers in the city, blending luxury living with advanced seismic safety and tight site ingenuity. Constructed on a 6-foot-thick concrete mat foundation, the tower rises with a reinforced concrete core surrounded by moment-resisting frames. Each floor is built using a jump form system, with high-strength concrete pumped to the top and post-tension slab floors allowing thinner, lighter structures with higher ceilings. The building's curtain wall, made of prefabricated glass and aluminum panels, is installed in real time as floors go up. Construction in this dense downtown zone is managed through just-in-time deliveries and a central tower crane that jumps skyward as the structure climbs. When completed in 2025, the tower will house over 500 units, plus retail space, rooftop amenities, and high-tech vertical systems stacked with mechanical access for easy maintenance. Number 5. San Francisco Central Subway. The Central Subway project in San Francisco is a triumph of underground engineering, threading a 1.7-mile extension of the T3 line through some of the city's most congested areas. The project's 2 parallel tunnels, excavated by earth pressure balanced tunnel boring machines, affectionately dubbed Mom Chung and Big Alma, weave beneath a maze of existing utilities, building foundations, and sewer lines. Along the way, crews installed reinforced tunnel linings to stabilize the bore as they advanced. Stations at Union Square, Chinatown, and Yerba Buena were constructed using cut and cover and sequential excavation techniques. At Union Square, for example, deep slurry walls and bracing systems protected nearby buildings and utilities during digging. Chinatown Station, 100 feet underground, is one of the deepest in the Muni system, built like a concrete box buried in bedrock. Although train service is already running, integration of final systems and features continues into 2025. When fully complete, the subway will significantly ease congestion and connect underserved communities to the city's heart. Number 4. Chase Center District. And what started as an arena is now an entire district. The Chase Center, home of the Golden State Warriors, anchors a full-scale redevelopment of San Francisco's Mission Bay neighborhood. Though the arena opened in 2019, commercial, transit, and infrastructure upgrades are finalizing through 2025. The 18,000-seat arena sits atop a seismically isolated foundation, with base isolators allowing it to shift safely during earthquakes. The sleek oval design is wrapped in glass and metal, while giant roof trusses support everything from scoreboards to concert rigs. 2 office towers flank the center, connected by elevated walkways to shared retail and service podiums. Beneath the site, a vast underground garage and loading dock system supports event day logistics without interrupting pedestrian flow. At the heart of the district lies Thrive City, a dynamic public plaza with post-tensioned slabs, green spaces, digital signage, and civic programming year-round. New light rail platforms, bike paths, and upgraded roadways round out the transformation of this once industrial zone into a thriving urban center. Number 3. San Diego Airport Terminal 1 Replacement. Down south, San Diego is replacing its outdated Terminal 1 with a state-of-the-art travel hub set to debut in 2025. What began as a modest facility in 1967 is now being reborn with 30 gates, advanced systems, and a design focused on comfort and sustainability. The old terminal was demolished with surgical precision to avoid disrupting nearby taxiways. Deep-drilled piers anchor the new structure into the coastal soil, supporting a steel frame and sweeping glass facade. The expansive curtain walls are bird-safe and UV treated, allowing panoramic views of San Diego Bay. Inside, travelers will find updated baggage systems, TSA checkpoints, and modern concessions. Above, long-span trusses create open concourses, while below, complex utilities are routed through flood-resistant, seismically braced corridors. Roadway improvements include new ramps, an entry plaza, and space reserved for a future people mover system that will eventually connect to public transit. Number 2. LA River Revitalization. Just northeast of downtown LA, a former rail yard is being reborn as a massive green space along the LA River. The 42-acre Taylor Yard G2 parcel is at the heart of one of the city's largest urban ecology projects, mixing environmental recovery with recreation and community access. Years of industrial contamination required deep remediation, including soil removal, groundwater monitoring, and containment systems. Engineers are now transforming the concrete riverbed into a more naturalized shoreline, introducing terraced wetlands, bioswales, and native plantings to support flood resilience and wildlife. A pedestrian bridge, Paseo del Rio, is under construction to link the park with adjacent green spaces. It's being assembled from prefabricated steel trusses set on deep foundations back from the river. Portions of the site will retain old rail features for educational and artistic reuse, creating a unique blend of industrial heritage and ecological future. Number 1. California High-Speed Rail. The Central Valley stretch of the California High-Speed Rail, spanning 171 miles from Merced to Bakersfield, will soon offer America's first true bullet train experience. Designed for speeds up to 220 miles per hour, this segment forms the backbone of a statewide rail network connecting northern and southern California. Engineers overcame soil challenges, seismic risks, and fluctuating water tables with deep soil mixing, preloading berms, and deep foundation piles. Elevated tracks, like the Cedar Viaduct in Fresno, soar over roads and farmland, while noise barriers and drainage systems protect communities. Bridges over the Kings and San Joaquin rivers feature seismic isolation bearings for safety. Set for completion by 2025, this segment paves the way for statewide expansion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into California's jaw-dropping mega projects and the massive changes coming in 2025, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more epic infrastructure updates, engineering marvels, and future-forward projects from around the world. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building bold. See you in the next video.